Upon unboxing the FiiO FT1, one is immediately struck by the exceptional build quality. The headphones, accessories, and carrying case exude a premium feel that belies the company's relatively young age. The headphones themselves are meticulously crafted, with no squeaks or rattles, and premium materials. The accompanying case, featuring a wooden accent, is both stylish and protective. Its elegant design ensures it complements any outfit, making it suitable for those who value a polished appearance. The included cables are durable and designed to withstand frequent bending and manipulation. While the packaging is both aesthetically pleasing and sturdy, the overall size of the headphones and case may be a drawback for those who frequently travel. Overall, the FiiO FT1 offers an impressive combination of sound quality, build quality, and aesthetics.